Warm welcome to all of you to the India FinTech Awards 2017. Let me tell you that first up, we're going to get started with a lot of deliberations and discussions from our esteemed set of speakers joining in. We have with us Mr. Srinivas Jain, who's the Executive Director and Chief Marketing Officer with SBI Mutual Fund, who comes with more than 23 years of experience in banking and financial services industry as well. Joining him, we'd also like to invite Mr. Anant Barua, who's the Executive Director with SEBI, to please come on stage, sir. A warm welcome to you as well. He's been with SEBI since 1992 till date. We also have with us the CEO of CAMS, Mr. K Prasad, who's come all the way from Chennai to be a part of IFTA 2017. So once again, a warm welcome. I'd like to also invite the CEO of CashRich, Mr. Sougata Basu, to please come on stage. And in fact, CashRich is a fintech startup in the wealth management space, also amongst the 4 startups selected by Government of Maharashtra to accompany the official team to the Singapore FinTech Festival, which is happening next week. And moderating this fantastic discussion, we have with us Ms. Aarati Krishnan, who is the Editorial Consultant of Hindu Business Line. So warm welcome.
The word innovation and financial regulators have never sat comfortably together. I'll start with my question. What is the contribution that India Stack and the accompanying fintech can make to reduce the, to make wealth management more accessible to small ticket investors? Because typically in India, when you talk of wealth management and portfolio management, the picture that comes to your mind is HNI and 25 lakh ticket size, 1 crore ticket size.
So India Stack will play a very important role to basically lower the cost of mutual fund distribution. The main area where it can play a pivotal role is eKYC. So what happens now in case of our app is that when a user downloads it and installs it, the main area of friction is basically the KYC. But once it gets more smooth and the eKYC success rates increase, then our cost of user acquisition would go down, which as a whole industry, if the costs come down, then we can service any user, whether they're investing a very small amount, because the transaction cost can be nearly zero when everything is digital. But if somebody has to do paperwork, then it becomes all the more difficult. Then a lot of people cannot come into the system because the cost of servicing is too high. Hopefully with all the, with the India Stack, which is mainly based on Aadhaar, if we can kind of eliminate some aspects of the KYC, and now that the government wants all the bank accounts to get linked with Aadhaar, so the banking industry is going to put in a lot of time, energy, effort, and resources to do KYC. Then maybe if mutual fund industry need not duplicate that effort, and how we can piggyback on the same effort and eliminate our mutual fund KYC process.